young niggas down the bus at the heat, and all y'all ain't got nothing. Ooh, now one of y'all niggas gon' be fucking with me. I got 2 bad bitches gon' be rubbing my feet. I got 3 young niggas at the bus at the heat, and all y'all ain't got nothing on me.
Okay, put your fucking hands up, this the fucking anthem. Smiling cause I'm young, rich, black, and I'm handsome. Not to mention wealthy, ass on a healthy young millionaire. What the fuck can you tell me? Smell me? Nigga, that's Chanel cologne. I'm in Europe with the tourists with no cellular phone.
Like, ooh, sound like rich nigga problems. I get a bad bitch with a fist full of condoms. In the randomness of risky menages. Like, if the hair right, she can get what she want. If it spits, then flaunt it. My drip like a faucet. She told me she was pregnant, I ain't even take the motherfucking dick out my pocket yet.
The opposite, she want me to fly her, so I cop the jet. Must be thinking I'm a one-way ticket on a runway. Dripping in my feng shui, sipping on a Sunday.
One of y'all niggas gon' be fucking with me. I got 2 bad bitches gon'